Hi, very good afternoon. Welcome to Agently. Today we are near Manyata, just 5 kilometers from Manyata Tech Park in Hegde Nagar, Kempegowda layout. There's a house for sale. It is under construction, like ending stage. Almost interior works is done. So distance wise, it is less than 1 kilometer from Tanisandra Hegde Nagar main road and 5 kilometers from Manyata Tech Park. And this side you have Shobha City. So that is Shobha City. So it is very closer to Shobha City. And 25 feet road you have. Drainage work is just done. For that it is messed up. And you have Kaveri water connection pipeline done. So from there all houses are facing other road. So you won't have parking problem that side and all. And here you have one is for Kaveri and one is for CMC. Even CMC water is there. So this is dimension is it is 28.5 till here and depth is 40 and behind it is 24 and it is east facing G plus 1. So ground floor you have 2 BHK and first floor you have 3 BHK. So you have road on east facing. Now the slabs has to be laid. So almost works is completed. So let's go and have a look. So this is the parking area. Here you have tank. This is borewell. Then all round you have setbacks. So ground floor you have east facing entrance. So this is the living area. Huge hall. So this side you have one bedroom with attached washroom and this is common washroom, kitchen, utility area and here you have one bedroom. So it is vertified tiles in granite color. So this is a small bedroom which is facing a road. So this is first bedroom, second bedroom with attached washroom. In 1 month, they can within 1 month they can complete the works and give. Now painting and all depends on your choice. This is the washroom. All tiles works, everything is being done. Only plumbing fittings is to be done. and this is common washroom, and this is the kitchen, spacious kitchen. This is utility area. So from this side also you have connectivity. Setback area. So this is for pipe routes they have given, just for piping work. Small space is left, and you get ventilation. So quick view of ground floor. This is the living area, one bedroom, then another bedroom with attached washroom, common washroom, and kitchen, utility area. So let's go to first floor. So this side you have a small space below the staircase, and total granite for staircase. And here you have 3 BHK entrance, first floor, west facing. So this is the living area. Huge window. Almost works are completed, like within 1 month they will complete and get. And painting will be done as per your requirement if you are early buyer. So this side you have like one bedroom, then this is a washroom, then there is another bedroom, and there you have one bedroom with attached washroom, and here you have kitchen, utility area. So this bedroom is with attached balcony. So this is the bedroom. So cupboard works and all is being done. So this is the balcony, and here you have a setback. There it is a little bigger as it is going cross, but you have good ventilation all the sides. So this is first bedroom with attached washroom, with attached balcony. So here you have hand wash area, and this is common washroom. Even here all tiles works is being done. And here you have another second bedroom, you can tell. So wardrobe work has been done. have a window. And this is the third bedroom. This is master bedroom. This is the wardrobe. With attached washroom. So this is attached washroom. So 3 bedrooms are done. Like now you have kitchen. So this side you have kitchen. This type of corridor between all 3 rooms. 1 bedroom, second bedroom, and third bedroom. That is the hall. Then here you get the kitchen. So even here wardrobe work is being done, electric fittings. Double laminated. Good spacious kitchen hall. And this is utility area. So this is 1 bedroom, second bedroom, common washroom, then third bedroom with attached washroom. There you have kitchen and balcony. This is living area. So first floor 3 BHK, ground floor 2 BHK, then top you have terrace. Good staircases, like no leg pain climbing on these staircases. It is like very less height. Okay, this is the terrace. Here you have washing area. If you need, you can extend one more floor. It has been ready, like here one washroom, there one washroom, something like that also concept. So your tank will be coming this side. So at the east, that is on the road end, it has been extended 28 feet, and behind it is 24. That is your Shobha city. And this side you have Aparna apartments. I don't remember the name. And there you have Satwa Gold Summit. So even Hennur is very closer from here. If you go towards Narayanpura road, from inside you have Narayanpura road connectivity and Tanisandra road connectivity. So this is the surroundings. So that side you can see houses are facing other side. So behind you don't have their entrance. So for more details you can go through the description right below the video, and to get details on your WhatsApp You can send the code which will be in the description. Thank you.